guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Meg Fanabasi, and on this episode of Style Mode DIY, I am going to be trying out a new design on my nails that I imagined, and I've seen some inspiration from somewhere. So I want to try it out and see how it's going to come out on these beautiful tips. Trust me, these tips are so cute. I've been carrying it this way for a long time now without painting it, just the fringe, just like that. So today I want to try this design by myself. I'm not a nail technician, but I just want to try it out. So I want to put you guys through the method I am going to use and through the design concept, and I hope that you guys are going to love it when I am done, as I hope to love it too. It's the first time try out, so I don't know what it's going to be like. So guys, watch out. So guys, basically what I'll be needing for this video is my black nail polish, my white nail polish, the nail hardener, a casing for an empty brush. I need an empty brush for application. Necessary, a nail dissolver. You can get this from the local markets anyway, like one of the cheapest. It's not designer. For the applicator, I will need this toothpick. I'm also going to use the super glue. I know you'll be wondering, why do I want to use super glue? That's because I'm going to be adding stones to it. This is a transparent stone and this is the black one. Okay, so the last but not the least, which is my favorite, is this. I'll be using this glitter for designing too, and I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. I have with me I use this empty casing of my super glue to put in the glitter for easy application. Now guys, I want you guys to watch and see how this is going to turn out. Guys, so that is it, and I want to reveal the final look of my nails to you. I know, hope you guys like it. Now for this other side, I decided to keep it simple and just white and black with stones, while this other one is where we have the main design. As you can see, the stone, the black, the glitter, the white, and the multicolor. I'm waiting for it to dry properly so I can clean the edges and keep them neat and simple, but for now this is it. This is my first attempt. It was a bit of a rough road. I actually even messed myself up with one of the polish that was trying to prove stubborn. It just all over me and I was like no, but I had to get this video to the very end to I'm happy that this thing came out this way, and you could always try yours too at home. It's that easy. You could get smaller stones, and these stones are quite large, and then I'm finding a better method of getting this mixed snail color to come out better rather than this. It's like marble. Yeah, so I'll find a better way of making the marble thing come out better and nicer, and once I do that, I'll always definitely update you guys. So for now, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the red button below, and then turn on the post notification bell right beside it. Please give me a thumbs up for this video, and do comment and share. Thanks so much, guys. I appreciate it. See you guys in my next episode. Bye.